when we do say, hey, in my case, I kind of embrace being a collage of a human being, which kind of to me means I'm all of these like mixed media elements put into a person, because that's what a person is, right? It's not a wallpaper of a predictable repeating pattern. It is more of a mixed media collage. But when you embrace that and you do that and you push back against the algorithm and this branded age of, I just want to be able to fold myself up into like a little elevator pitch that I can repeat again and again, there are consequences for that. There are consequences for a content creator. There are consequences for a business. There are consequences for a person who dares to defy definition. And that's what makes it so challenging to be in this age where we're rewarded for kind of, like I said, putting ourselves into a little pretty Barbie box that's easy to consume, but hard to be and hard to live as a human. And, that's kind of, I think if you go in with your eyes wide open, though, whether you're a content creator, whether you run a business, whether you're just a mom living your life, that choosing to defy that will come with some degree of, some of those consequences I think are good. I like being a wild card. I like being unpredictable. I like not fitting into a neat box. But has that cost me revenue? Has it cost me money? Has it cost me followers? Yeah. And I've assumed those costs as part of, a greater reward for me of like living a full and vibrant life. You know what I mean? But we don't talk about this. We don't talk about those costs,
1,000% yes, because I do the same thing. I don't want to be put into a box.